Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. Now, if you're not seeing the Genmoji on your iPhone whenever you click on a message to generate one, this is why. So Genmoji is going to be available on iPhone, but not yet. It's going to be released with iOS 18.2. If you go into your settings and you go to software update, currently we're on 18.1 and 18.2 is supposed to come out sometime in December, so we're gonna have to wait. Now, even with 18.2, you do also need a compatible device that runs Apple Intelligent, and those devices are going to be your iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and the iPhone 16 lineup, which includes iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and the 16 Pro Max. So all 6 devices with Apple Intelligent turned on will be able to use Genmoji, which you can do by simply tapping on a message, and you can go ahead and type in like something that you were typing, and then once you click on the emoji, it'll automatically get you to create a Genmoji if you like using Apple Intelligent. So those are going to be the requirements. So you need a compatible device on iOS 18.2, which is coming out in December. So when that comes out, we're going to show you how to actually use it and create a Genmoji on your iPhone. Again, I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.